Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, for some of you, and I know that some of you have commented on this, a little change in the Settings app. So before the update of Moment for today, or September 2023 update, or fall update, or whatever you want to call it, there was no Home tab in the Settings app. Now there is. So when you go into your settings, you'll see that this new category exists here at the top. Home. It contains recommended settings that are the recently most used settings. So if you have settings that you play with, you'll see that this is it changes all the time. You have, of course, at the top the little banner that says your PC and your PC name, and of course your Wi-Fi connection, and there's a Windows Update info checked 2 hours ago. There's Bluetooth devices here on the right that is showing up, telling you which Bluetooth devices are there and on or off, if depending on the status. Personalize your device here, and then you have, of course, what I call a little bit of an ad. In my case, it's active because I am subscribed to a PC Game Pass and a Microsoft 365, but I kind of wonder exactly what they are going to try. You know, what's showing up if it says inactive, simply for those that are not active. Anyways, this new Home tab, which I don't think was very important to add. I mean, this just gives you more of the details that are already within the app, but in what's home. And like for some people, it, you know, with the PC Game Pass, Microsoft 365, and some of the stuff that appears here, sometimes looks more like an ad than anything else. So I don't know. But I don't think this was necessary. But this is a change that has been pushed now to everyone, or will be pushed to everyone. So if you don't have the Home tab in the Settings app now, after the update of today, you should have it within the next few weeks, as slowly these new features are going to roll out to everyone and pop up in your Windows 11 22H2. And of course, eventually, as we now know that the Insider Preview and the Release Preview has 23H2, eventually in 23H2 also, that's going to appear in the next few weeks. What will be interesting of 23H2 really will be the unsupported hardware. What's going to happen with that? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.